Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll start by ensuring compatibility and protecting your work. Check Mac OS supports the latest Logic Pro X, then backup projects with Time Machine or an external drive. Once done, free up at least 20% disk space. Make sure you're signed into the Apple ID used for Logic purchases. Open the App Store and go straight to Updates or search Logic Pro X. This begins the update process and prevents data loss, so don't skip these steps. You'll download and install the update next. Tap Update in the App Store and watch the download size and ETA. Large libraries take longer. If a Mac OS update is required, install it first via System Settings General Software Update, reboot when prompted. Before installation, close Logic and save all sessions. Temporarily disable or move third-party plugins to avoid compatibility errors. Once the installer finishes, the system may optimize audio units. Let it complete without interruption. You'll finish by verifying everything works. Launch Logic Pro X and check about Logic Pro X to confirm the version. Open a few critical projects and listen for routing, plugin, and audio integrity issues. Make adjustments to plugin settings or replace incompatible plugins as needed. If something goes wrong, try reinstalling Logic from the App Store or restore your projects from backup. Reset preferences as a last resort. And remember, reinstalling plugins or restoring a backup usually resolves.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.